Gardening myths have been around since gardening began. In this Mythbuster, we'll take a look at the weather predicting capabilities of the woolly bear caterpillar. Hi, I'm Mitch a University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City. Let's do some research to determine if the woolly bear caterpillar, also known as the weather worm and woolly worm, has true weather predicting capabilities, or if that's just a myth. The idea that the woolly bear caterpillar can predict winter weather started with entomologist Dr. Curran in 1948. He observed the woolly bear fall colors and then noted winter weather. Newspaper reportings about his study coined the term weather worm for the caterpillar, and the name stuck. There are over 200 varieties of woolly bear caterpillar, which is the larva of the Isabel tiger moth. The woolly bear shows two colors, black at both ends and orange in the middle. According to gardening lore, the longer the black bands are, the more severe the winter will be. If the black band is longer in the front, then the weather will be more severe in early winter. If the black band is longer in the back, then the end of winter will be colder. Another way a woolly bear is said to predict winter weather is by the direction it travels. Scurrying south means a cold winter, while moving north indicates a milder winter. Woolly bears are often noticed while moving on road surfaces. Why are they crossing the road? Well, we'll just have to ask the chickens. Actually, they are scurrying to find shelter under leaf and plant debris before winter sets in. Uh-oh, this one's all black. Get the snowblower ready and put on some long underwear. Upon further study, the color banding of the woolly bear depends on various non-weather related conditions. Let's examine what causes the color banding. Age of the woolly bear is important. As a caterpillar matures, the woolly hair's midsection turns from black to orange. So the orange section expands toward the head and tail as the caterpillar grows. The level of moisture when the woolly bear is maturing also affects the orange to black ratio. The wetter the environment the caterpillar matures in, the longer the black bands will be. I looked at this local woolly bear and saw its color bands are about equal, so it predicted an average Kansas City winter. What we experienced, though, was the third warmest winter in the last 30 years, so it appears the woolly bear caterpillar was incorrect. We'd have expected its orange band to be noticeably longer. Scientists have found no correlation between the caterpillar's bands and winter weather, so it turns out predicting the weather with the woolly bear caterpillar is fun, but not a scientific way to come up with a winter forecast. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Until next time, see you in the garden.